90 entrants tonight in the SCDRA four-cylinder division. 90 cars here with us tonight. They'll be battling in heat race action a little later on this evening. That'll set them up for their shootout tomorrow for $12,000.
Real quick, while we're doing this parade lap, ain't that a cool sight to see? Correction, I knew it, but I still announced it wrong. We're actually taking the top 5 are transferring in. So Dustin Duncan, he's 5th. He will transfer in. He does not have to run a heat race tonight either. It was originally 4 cars, and then it got changed today, and I totally forgot. But just to let y'all know, the top 5 transferring in to the main event and do not have to run any more races to get in. The 48 of Newman Presnell with a new track record, 15.814. 62 of Andrew Smith. 51 of Blaine Ellis. The 65 of John Wyndham. And the 21 of Dustin Duncan. The top 5 cars ran a faster lap time than the old track record of 15.090. So real quick, we're going to get these guys 3 wide, do a cool parade lap. Ain't that a cool sight to see?
"90 of the best SCDRA four-cylinders on this side of the East Coast, lined up 4 wide for you guys. Make some noise, bring your cameras out, turn your flashlights on. They're going to put on a show for us tonight, and then they're going to do it again for us tomorrow night for $12,000.